starting off by using our long fitted cap. You don't need to wear the cap underneath, but I'm wearing it obviously to cover my hair, and it does have a velvet band attached to it. I would recommend using a velvet headband underneath. I'm going to be using our newest suede wraps in the shade Biscuit. It's most similar to our old caramel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start by putting it on even lengths. I'm going to fold it just a tiny bit underneath itself. I'm gonna let it rest on the sides. Before I crisscross in the back, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna create a couple pleats just because I like my wraps to have a little bit of texture to them. Doesn't need to be perfect, but that's what I'm gonna do. Then we're gonna take it to the back. We're gonna crisscross. Then I'm going to fold them into thirds, not super thin, not super wide, but just like gathered in itself. And then we're gonna bring it up and over, and I'm gonna create some more pleats as it's up and over. And you see this part? I'm just gonna take it and tuck it into itself all the way through before I bring it up and over, just so when I bring this part around again, it'll tuck into itself really nicely, and it'll just have a really clean and seamless look. Then working with the other side, again, I'm gonna fold it into itself, bring up, make sure it's nice, neat, bring this to this side, tuck it into itself, and that is it. Created a really nice, clean look using a long wrap, not using a shaper. Obviously, if your hair is longer or fuller or thicker, you'll have more of a bun back here. My hair is kind of short right now, so it's not protruding out so much. But if you wanted to in the end, you could totally bring the tails closer to the front. It'll create more pleats. It'll also create more volume up top if you like that type of look. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed.